Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable in-stock alerts notification on Best Buy account. So first we're going to go to the Best Buy app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on Manage Communications. Then once you scroll downwards, there's the in-stock alerts section. You're going to turn on the notifications, so you'll receive updates on your selected restocks and pre-orders. You guys could also view your saved items in stock. So as you guys can see, we currently have no notifications right now, but this is where it pops up. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple tutorial. As I told you, we also have different videos in our how-to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.